Did you know most of the world's energy still comes from fossil fuels? They emit large amounts of carbon dioxide, harming the planet and driving climate change. Meanwhile, the wind blows and the sun shines, delivering growing amounts of clean, renewable electricity that are central to the energy transition. The challenge is timing. Renewables don't always align with demand, and excess electricity can be wasted. How can we store it? The answer is hydrogen. Electrolysis uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen, converting variable renewable power into a storable, transportable energy carrier available anytime. Hydrogen already underpins major industries. About half is used to make ammonia for fertilizers, with large shares going to refineries, petrochemicals, methanol production, metallurgy, food processing, glass, and semiconductors. So hydrogen is both today's industrial feedstock and tomorrow's energy vector. Conventional fuels emit vast CO2. Hydrogen emits only water vapor when used, making it vital for decarbonization. At the Energie-Innovation Center at BTU Cottbus, our hydrogen lab advances this transition. We produce hydrogen by electrolysis and test systems under realistic industrial conditions, focusing on high-pressure electrolysis. Operating at high pressure improves efficiency, enables compact designs that connect directly to processes, and simplifies storage and integration. More than a research facility, the lab is a bridge to industry. Companies can test solutions at small scale, measure performance and costs, and reduce risk before scaling up. At the Hydrogen Lab in Cottbus, advanced testing is already helping businesses innovate with confidence and lead the transition to a clean, hydrogen-powered future.